Hello, everybody. Welcome to Baby and Hugs, the one stop guide for parenting. Every parent out there would agree with me that the only concern we have now is to how to protect our children from COVID 19. During the first wave, the only worry was how do we keep our kids indoors and engage them effectively. But that's not the case during the second and third wave. Unfortunately, due to the weird nature of the mutating virus, it has become very necessary that we take all the precautions and steps required to keep our children safe and away from COVID 19. So, here I am as a doctor mommy sharing my top tips which I have been following and keeping my child safe and away from COVID 19. Before getting into the topic, do consider subscribing to our channel and also help us grow and share and reach more moms and parents out there. And also don't forget to stay till the end of the video because there is a huge bonus tip which I have announced without wasting any time. Let's get straight into the topic. The first one being don't panic. As per the renowned pediatricians all over the world, it has been said that as of now, our children are very, very safe, and even if affected, they are asymptomatic or they are very mild in nature, so they get well very soon. By panicking, we are not only creating a stressful environment around us, which is affecting both our physical and mental health, and same so with the second one is to create a structured day. It is very essential that we create routines for our kids from the time they wake up, like eat time, play time, sleeping time, study time, exercise times, and all these routines help them in having a beautifully structured day where they are where it not only keeps them engaged all through the day but also keeps them away from the chaos which is going around outside. The third one is to teach them the COVID 19 protocols. As adults, it is also necessary that we teach our kids the COVID 19 protocols, like wearing the masks, either a single layered surgical mask or a cloth mask, but a perfectly fitted one. Second one is to maintain social distancing from people and also things and surfaces, especially outside. And last one being washing their hands with soap for 20 seconds, or if necessary, using the sanitizers. If these protocols are followed, our children are very much safe. The fourth one is to be a role model. Children are very good imitators, and more so if it is something wrong. So it's very important that we follow very good hygiene and also follow all the protocols of COVID 19 so that our children do the same and stay protected. The fifth one being up to date immunizations. Since the vaccinations for our children are still on a trial and error basis, the only thing which can protect us and build our children's immunity are their regular immunizations. It is very essential that we go to our pediatrician and see to that all their immunizations are up to date at this time, since this is the only way which we can save our children from the adverse effects of COVID 19, and this should be the only reason that your child gets out of the house. The sixth one being supplementing the major vitamins which our body needs to fight against the disease is vitamin C, vitamin D, and zinc. These are usually got to our body through the nutritious and balanced food and also outdoor activity. Since outdoor activities and playtime for our children have totally been off, it's necessary that after talking to your pediatrician, and also it is recommended that you start supplementing your children on the correct dosage mentioned from your doctors alongside the nutritious. The seventh one is to encourage indoor physical activities. It is recommended that at least 60 to 90 minutes of strenuous playtime is required and must in children to build a strong immune system. So it is advised that you encourage and engage your children in household chores, in cleaning up all the mess they have created, make them do it by themselves, and also exercise along with them, and also any strenuous activities which makes them sweat or tired is very important to build a strong immune system. The eighth one is to serve a well-balanced, nutritious food. Serving a rainbow platter serves the purpose of a well-balanced, nutritious food. It is recommended that you increase the fluid intake like water, soups, juices and coconut water, and also increasing green leafy vegetables and also citrus fruits. The next one is to step up hygiene and sanitization at home. It is advised that you keep cleaning and sanitizing the doorknobs, handles, switches, remote controls, and phones on a regular basis, since these are the usually frequently used things which are available at our house. And also, it is a must that whatever comes from outside is to be sanitized at any cost, be it human beings or the things. So, lastly, coming to the bonus tip I was talking about, this is the only remedy and the only cure available for COVID 19. Get yourself vaccinated. Anybody and everybody above 18 years, except for pregnant women, everybody have to go get vaccinated. Please consider getting any vaccine available at your nearest place, and don't wait for the best, because this is the best day and this is the best thing you can do. So please go and get vaccinated. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay safe, stay indoors. Bye bye.